Hello guys, introducing the Blackview Shark 9, the first 5G phone on the Shark series, and a perfect blend of powerful performance, sleek design, top-notch camera capabilities. Let's dive into what makes this device stands out. On the camera front, Shark 9 is equipped with a 50-megapixel Samsung GN1 AI-powered main camera designed for capturing stunning photos in any light. Thanks to advanced 4-in-1 pixel bidding and double Super PD technology, it focuses at the lightning speeds, looking in every detail, even in low light. Supporting the main camera are 2-megapixel ultra macro and a 2-megapixel depth sensor for unique close-ups, plus 8-megapixel front camera for sharp, clear selfies. The built-in AI tools like AI Magic Eraser, AI Photo Blur and AI Portrait Light make editing easier, letting you enhance photos, remove distractions and adjust lighting with just a few taps. Beyond the camera, the Shark 9 performance is impressive with a powerful 6nm octa-core Unisoc T820 processor and up to 24GB of RAM for smooth multitasking. With a 256GB of storage expandable up to 2TB, you'll have all the room you need for apps, photos and files. With a sleek design, impressive camera and reliable performance, the Shark 9 5G is ready to handle everything. Get yours today and elevate your smartphone experience. Alongside the launch of Shark 9, Blackview is excited to unveil its latest rugged smartwatch W50 Pro to enhance users' daily life. As an upgraded version of the well-known rugged smartwatch W50, the W50 Pro boasts a robust build and a 1.45-inch HD screen, delivering clear visibility anywhere. It supports over 100 workout modes and advanced health tracking features like a 24/7 heart rate, stress, blood oxygen and sleep monitoring powered by the latest GoMore algorithm. With dual-mode Bluetooth, it provides a high-quality calling, while IPS68 water resistance and one-touch drainage make it reliable underwater. Plus, the built-in flashlight and the compass add extra safety for outdoor adventures, and a powerful 960mAh battery offers up to 100 days on standby. The world premiere of Blackview Shark 9 and the W50 Pro will be available at the special early bid prices until November 18th. The official sales links are below this video, be sure to visit them. Until the next time, bye.